Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to go over our top balance transfer credit cards for May 2023. Let's go straight into it. The very first card on our list is going to be the Discover It Balance Transfer Credit Card. This is going to give you 0% for 18 months, guys. Now, you also get 0% for 6 months on purchase intro APR. So that's when you first get the card. And you only need to have a credit score of good to excellent, which is about 670 to about 850. You also get a rewards rate of about 1% to 5%. So this means that you're going to get 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate, okay? And then you're going to also be able to earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases, and that's automatically, okay, guys? Then after that, you're going to have your, after the purchase intro APR, you're going to have your regular APR, which is 6.74%, and that goes all the way up to 27.74%, guys, okay? So that one is a Discover It Balance Transfer. Let's go to the next card. The next card on our list is going to be the Wells Fargo Reflect card, okay? This one is going to give you 21 months of 0% from account opening on qualifying balance transfers. So make sure you guys read the fine print on what those qualifying balance transfers are. Sometimes there are certain financial institutions that they may be subsidiaries of, and sometimes they won't allow you to do a balance transfer. So keep in mind, like for example, some banks don't allow you to do balance transfers with the same bank type card. So for example, Chase to a Chase or something like that. I'm not saying Chase does that. I just know some credit card companies will not allow you to transfer a balance if you have another credit card with the same make. Okay, so make sure that you guys look at that fine print. Okay, also you're going to get a purchase intro APR of 0% for 21 months as well, and then after that it's going to go up to about 17.99%, all the way as high as 29.99%. Okay, guys, there's no rewards rate on this one, and for this one you only need a credit score of at least about a 670. Okay, and that is the Wells Fargo Reflect card, and this is also the best for balance transfer beginners. So like if this is the first time that you're actually even looking at balance transfer credit cards, this is one to consider as well. Okay, next one is pretty good if you have no good credit. You're still going to need about a 670, but they're not just looking at the score. They're going to be looking at other balances that you may have, your just recent credit activity in general. This is going to be the Citibank Double Cash card. This is going to give you 18 months of 0% for balance transfers. No special purchase APR on this one. That's probably why the ratings are getting a little bit lower. People like rewards. People like perks, right? So since there is no special purchase intro APR, you'll be able to get 18.99%, all the way as high as 28.99%. This one will have a slight rewards rate. So this is going to give you, you can have the opportunity to earn 2% on every purchase with unlimited 1% cash back when you buy, plus an additional 1% as you pay for those purchases as well. And it looks like you only need about a 670 to go ahead and qualify for that card. And again, that card is a Citi Double Cashback card. All right, the next card on our list is going to be the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Now, this one is best for flexible rewards categories in general. This one goes by billing cycles, okay? So billing cycles are going to be a little bit different because it depends on when you actually start the card. So as you guys can see, some credit card companies are going to start the balance transfers as soon as you open the account. And then some are going to say, hey, we only do it based on the billing cycle. So that means you may not necessarily use it into a certain period of time. So either way, just make sure, again, you read the fine print, or you can always call customer service as well, too, to find out exactly what do they consider a billing cycle, okay? But either way, you're going to get 0% intro APR for 18 billing cycles on BT's balance transfers, not Bluetooth, made within the first 60 days. And that's going to obviously come with a 3% fee, and then 17.74% to start with, as high as about 27% variable APR. Okay. Now, this one also comes with a purchase intro APR of 0% for 18 billing cycles for purchases. And then, as I mentioned, 17.74 to about 27.74 after that on a regular rate. And then they're going to have the rewards rate as well. This is going to give you 3% cash back in a category of your choice, up to $2,500 in combined choice category grocery store wholesale club quarterly purchases. Earn automatic 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, up to $2,500 in combined choice category grocery store wholesale club quarterly purchases. Earn unlimited 1% on all other purchases. And it looks like you only need about a 670 to go ahead and get this credit card. And again, this one is called the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. All right. Next on our list is going to be the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Now, this one's best for 2% cash rewards, and we'll get to that in a second. This one's going to give you 15 months of 0% APR from account opening on qualifying balance transfer. So that means as soon as you open this account, you need to go ahead and just transfer those balances. A lot of times, especially if you do it online, they'll ask you, do you have any balances that you want to transfer? Most credit card companies would do this if you apply online. OK. You also get 0% intro APR for 15 months from this account, from account opening. And then you're going to get, their regular APR is going to go from 19.99, 24.99, or 29.99 variable APR. The rewards rate, you're going to earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases. OK, looks like you only need a 670 to get this card. And again, this is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. All right. Next on our list is going to be the Citi Custom Cash Card. Now, this is best for automatic bonuses. OK, so now this one's going to give you 0% APR for balance transfers for 15 months. OK, then the purchase intro APR is going to be 0% for 15 months on purchases. The regular APR is going to be 18.99, as high as 28.99. And then the rewards rate, you're going to earn 5% cash back on purchases in your top eligible spend category each billing cycle. Up to the first 500 spent, 1% cash back thereafter. Earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Okay, guys. And then you're going to be able to get this card with a credit score as low as 670. And again, this one is called the Citi Custom Cash Card. Next on our list is going to be the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card. Now, this one is best for unlimited 1.5% cash back. Okay, guys, this one's going to give you a balance transfer intro APR of 0% for 18 billing cycles on balance transfers made within the first 60 days. So this was going to give you a little bit more time to transfer those balances. OK, because sometimes, something comes up, an emergency, a trip, whatever, and then it may not happen within those first 30 days. Because a lot of people don't know you can do a balance transfer technically any time. The problem is that a lot of people don't do a balance transfer until much later down the line. And so you're not really taking advantage of the key features of that credit card. So you most definitely want to take advantage of that. Make sure you guys knock that out within that first 60 days. There's going to be a 3% fee. And then, of course, the interest rate is going to go up a little bit higher after that. OK, so but you also get a purchase introduction APR 0% for 18 months. And then the regular APR is going to go from 17.74 on the low end all the way up to 27.74 on the high end. This is going to give you a rewards rate of 1.5%. You're going to be able to earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And it looks like you can get this card with the credit score of as low as 670. And again, this card is called the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card. Next on our list is going to be the Bank of America, the Bank Americard credit card. All right. Now, this one is great. I think that, man, the longer that you guys can get, time to actually, take advantage of balance transfers is huge, guys. That's going to be huge. OK, so this is going to be 0% APR for 21 billing cycles on balance transfers made within the first 60 days. 3% fee applies. OK, this card is already looking amazing. I don't even know why it's at the bottom. But either way, 21 billing cycles, guys. That's what's that? That's almost 2 years. OK, that's over a year and a half. So here's the thing. For those who don't know, when you're transferring a balance, OK, they're giving you 21 months to pay off that balance that you transferred, guys, for 0%. So just look at your current interest rate. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the time. This is the season, especially when interest rates are high, and balance transfers are just honestly a great way of saying, hey, do business with us. For doing business with us, we'll give you 0% on your previous debt. OK, that is huge. OK, you also get a purchase introductory APR for 0% for 21 months. And then on the low end, the regular APR is going to be 15.74%. On the high end, it's going to be 25.74%. There's no rewards rates on this one, but again, you're getting 21 months, for the entire, for that balance transfer period. So that's pretty cool. And then it looks like you only need at least about a 670 or so to go ahead and qualify for that. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is going to be based on the FICO scores, okay? A FICO score is used to represent the credit worthiness of a person and may be one indicator to the credit type that you're eligible for. However, credit scores alone does not guarantee or imply approval for a financial product. This is just letting you guys know what type of score range you're going to end up needing. So there is a chance that you may get denied. But again, people are approved and denied for various reasons outside of their credit scores. Okay, guys. So what's so great about this too is that if you guys get denied, just give the company a call. Sometimes that denial is automatic from a computer. Okay, so if you want to talk to someone, just just give customer service a call. Again, that doesn't mean that you're going to get approved, but at least they'll be able to give you some insight on what they're looking for. Okay, because credit card companies, they change all the time on what they're looking for. Okay, guys. So, and again, that one is called the Bank AmeriCard credit card. Okay, so again, guys, those are the top balance transfer credit cards for May 2023. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. By the way, the credit card links to all of these is down at the bottom in the description if you want to apply for any of these. Okay, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.